Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. It's not always easy to wrap something that's not rectangle or square using wrapping paper. For example, this round tin can. If you use Furoshiki, it's easy to wrap because Furoshiki is made of cloth, so it's flexible and also pliable. I will show you how to wrap this round tin can using a technique called lattice wrap. Place the Furoshiki wrong side up, right side down on a flat surface and place the round tin can on top. Take the opposite corners and tie once, just once, not a square knot. Take the other opposite corners and tie once, just once, not a square knot. And you pull. So now you have these four corners sticking out. I will take this corner and call corner A, corner B, corner C, and corner D. Take the corner A, flip it over corner B. Take the corner B, flip it over corner A and C. Take the corner C, flip it over corner B and D. Take the corner D, flip it over corner C, and this corner goes right underneath the loop corner A made. And like this, you just pull and you get a lattice on top. And you can kind of spread each corners like this. And that's how you make a lattice wrap. I will show you how to wrap this round tin can using a technique called lattice wrap. Lattice wrap, not lettuce wrap. Oh my god, I'm hungry.